Alright, in this video today, I'm going to take you guys really how you're going to create your own logistics website, Courier website. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Lawrence. I create how to make money online and some tech tips. And if you need any scripts, you can contact me. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number in the description below so that I can be able to contact me to get any kind of script any kind of script you want. First my website like forest trading website and binary trading website, and then any kind of website you can be able to contact me as well. So my name is Lawrence. As I earlier said, create results to make money online, so no need of much explanation. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to um, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. So you guys can see, this is the interface of the logistic website. Even freight to can see, you can check delivery easily, and then you can track. So here you can see you can also print your tracking ID, your track result. You can also print it. You can on print, so you can see even on map you can track where your goods is on map. So here is to print, and then here is the admin. I've logged into the admin. You can see this is the dashboard. Let me go back to the print. My network is kind of slow, but you can see here the dashboard. Here we have create new shipments, MS services, and the rest. So you guys can see this is a front end. It's very responsive, and then very dynamic. You can see this is the dashboard, admin dashboard, where dashboards manage shipments, where you can manage your shipment, create new shipments, and email services, and then administrator can set things where you can be able to set your site. You can set your site. So let's go to the printing. You can see here where I click on print, you can see certified true copy, tracking number, ID. You can see it has code as well, and the name. You can see payment methods on our official stamp, and then stamped duty. Everything is working perfect. You can click on save, and then see how it is. Here you can see the sender, and then the to the person that is going to receive, and then you can see the amounts in transit or maybe on freight. So you can see destination office, which is United States of America. So this is the dashboard, and then this is the front end. Okay, so if you're new or if you need this kind of script, you can be able to contact me to get the script. And then if you want me to build this site for you, you can also contact me. I'll build it for you. It's not even cost. My number will be in the description below. So on my next video, I'm going to take you guys really how you're going to make use of the script. Let's see. Let's click on create new shipment here. On my next video, I'm going to teach you guys how you're going to create this kind of website using the scripts that you're going to purchase from me. So on my next tutorial video, I'm going to teach you guys, take you guys really how you're going to do this, do everything. My network is kind of bad. I could have do everything at the same time, but I think I had to record the video tomorrow because I need to upload the files, and if I try to upload it right now, it will definitely take much time to upload on the servers. So you can see, even to create the new user, a new shipment is giving me. You can see create a new shipment. Let's write the name, then receiver's email, and then sender's information. Let's say sender's information, and then takeoff point. Let's say 77 should be on air freight. Let's say air freight or sea freight or road or rail. So let's say air freight, and then final destination, and you can see it should be document or container. Document should be documents, and then the weights of it, and then let's say on hold, on route pending. Let's say pending because that is the billing format, and then brief description. Brief description, you can just describe the whole thing. Describe the whole thing. Then describe the whole thing. Okay. You describe, and then the dates of shipment. Date of shipment will be like 14, and then this is the tracking ID. You can also edit it at the location. Let's say try paying it in Lagos. You can see shipment cost $5,000, quantity let's say 2, and then you can upload anything, any picture. Let me just say picture of it. Upload a picture of it, and then clearance costs let's say $7,000, and then delivery percentage completed. Anything, you can type anything there. Say 78. So I say everything is done. Finland, receiving it in Finland. So let's click on this generate tracking. Okay, expecting delivery. That should be in on 17. Let's say 17. Okay, so it's loading to generate it. That is it. It's loading. So you can see, let me take this back. Okay, it's done, right? Shipment completed successfully. So let's go to manage shipment so that we'll copy the code to track it again and see what we get. Okay, this is it here, just 18 seconds ago. So pending. Let's get the ticket tracking number. Let's get a tracking number. Okay, so I want to track it, track the order, track order. Click on this and then paste track order. It's loading. Okay, and you can be able to manage your tracking here. You can see actions here: add shipment, update history, edit shipment, print received, send email. Okay, so here you can see this is the details of what I uploaded. You can see here, you come here, Chongling, Fafa, O2 Arena Finland, then the email address, phone number, that is the receiver, and then the sender's information, and then consignment details. You can see here air freight. Okay, you can see payment has been completed. So now I want to update the history. So let's go back to the admin here to add shipment history. You'll be like, okay, new location, let's say Abuja airport, then new location, new city, let's say Abuja. New location should be, let's say, you can choose any the country where the location is. Then you can choose, let's say, a warehouse on hold. That is another billing format again. Delivery percentage, let's say 70%, and then be like payment, and then update history. So I've updated the history. It's loading, right? The history has been updated. So let's refresh it here and see what we get, right? Oh, let's see what we get, man. Okay, it's loading. Let's see what we got. Okay, I'm sorry. So, talking about the history, you can see on hold Abuja Airport, Abuja, the city, Abuja, Nigeria. Then you see payments, comments, payments. So you can be able to write anything here. Maybe make your payments before the goods will be released from the airport. You understand? So you can write your comment over there. You can see here is a, because my network is kind of slow. That's why here is a map, Google Map, and then you can click to print your receipt. Okay, so that is it. You can see it's on hold. So this is updating tracking information. You can also delete the history as well or add it to leave it there. So I want to take you guys on another step how you're going to make use of this script. So thank you guys for watching. Let's, without wasting much of time, let's move to the other parts of the video.